It's disheartening to receive a denial for your Social Security Disability Insurance or SSDI claim. You might feel overwhelmed and unsure of what to do next. Don't despair. The first step in the appeal process is called reconsideration. This is your chance to have your application reviewed again. Many people give up after a denial, but reconsideration is crucial. It provides an opportunity to address any oversights and strengthen your claim. Think of the initial application as your introduction and the reconsideration as your opportunity to fully present your case. This is where you can clarify any misunderstandings and provide additional information. The reconsideration process is a critical step towards obtaining the benefits you deserve. It's not uncommon for applications to be denied initially. The Social Security Administration, or SSA, has specific criteria that must be met. Sometimes initial applications lack sufficient medical evidence or contain errors that can be easily rectified. The reconsideration stage allows you to correct these issues and present a more compelling case. Remember, the SSA's goal is to ensure that eligible individuals receive the disability benefits they need. By engaging in the reconsideration process, you're actively participating in achieving that goal for yourself. The reconsideration process is designed to be thorough and fair. It allows you to present your case to a new decision-maker within the Social Security Administration. This fresh perspective can be invaluable in getting your application approved. Don't let the initial denial discourage you. Instead, see it as an opportunity to refine your application and present a stronger case during the reconsideration phase. Time is of the essence when it comes to appealing your SSDI denial. You have only 60 days from the date you receive your denial letter to file for reconsideration. This strict deadline emphasizes the importance of acting quickly. Missing this window could mean starting the entire application process over again, which can be a lengthy and frustrating experience. To avoid jeopardizing your chances, it's best to file your reconsideration request as soon as possible. You can easily begin the reconsideration process online through the Social Security Administration's website. This convenient method allows you to file your appeal from the comfort of your home. The online platform guides you through each step, ensuring you provide all the necessary information. Filing online simplifies the process and provides confirmation that your request was submitted successfully. If you prefer in-person assistance, you can visit your local Social Security office or call their toll-free number to request a reconsideration form. Their staff can answer your questions and guide you through the process, ensuring you understand each step. Regardless of your chosen method, don't delay in filing your appeal. Remember, the sooner you file, the sooner your case can be reviewed. Timely action is crucial in the reconsideration process. It demonstrates your commitment to appealing the initial decision and ensures your case is reviewed within a reasonable time frame. Don't let the 60-day window pass you by. Take action promptly and exercise your right to appeal. Upon receiving your reconsideration request, the Disability Determination Services, or DDS, in your state takes charge of your case. They will review your initial application, the denial reason, and the information you provided in your reconsideration request. The DDS acts as a neutral party, responsible for evaluating your claim based solely on the provided evidence and SSA regulations. Their objective is to ensure a fair and impartial assessment of your eligibility for SSDI benefits. The DDS examiner assigned to your case reviews your medical records, work history, and any new evidence submitted. They might contact your healthcare providers for clarification or additional medical documentation. This comprehensive approach ensures all relevant information is considered before a decision is made. The DDS strives to make well-informed decisions based on a thorough understanding of your situation. During the reconsideration process, you might be contacted for a phone interview. This interview allows you to provide further details about your condition and its impact on your ability to work. It's an opportunity to address any concerns the DDS examiner might have and clarify any ambiguities in your application. The interview aims to gain a deeper understanding of your circumstances and limitations. The DDS examiner considers all aspects of your case, including your medical condition, treatment history, functional limitations, and ability to engage in substantial gainful activity. They use this information to determine if you meet the SSA's definition of disability. The entire process is designed to be comprehensive and fair, ensuring that only those who qualify for SSDI benefits receive them. New evidence is crucial during reconsideration. This is your chance to address any gaps in your initial application. Include medical records, test results, and treatment plans that weren't available before. Each piece of evidence helps paint a clearer picture of your condition and its severity. The more comprehensive your medical documentation, the stronger your case becomes. Don't hesitate to include statements from your doctor. A doctor's perspective carries significant weight in disability cases. Ask your doctor to write a detailed report outlining your diagnoses, treatment history, and functional limitations. These statements provide valuable insights into how your condition affects your daily living and ability to work. A persuasive doctor's statement can significantly strengthen your claim. In some cases, the DDS may request additional medical examinations. They might ask you to see a specific doctor or specialist to assess your condition further. This is standard procedure and helps the DDS obtain a comprehensive understanding of your limitations. Cooperate with these requests and attend all scheduled appointments. Remember, the goal is to provide the DDS with a clear and accurate representation of your disability. By presenting new, compelling evidence, you significantly increase your chances of a favorable outcome during the reconsideration phase. After the DDS completes its review, you'll receive a decision in writing. This decision will either approve or deny your request for reconsideration. The waiting period for a decision can vary depending on the complexity of your case and the workload of the DDS. On average, it can take several months to receive a decision. If your reconsideration is approved, congratulations. You'll start receiving SSDI benefits. The notice will outline your benefit amount and payment schedule. It's essential to review this information carefully and contact the SSA if you have any questions. Your perseverance throughout the reconsideration process has paid off. However, if your reconsideration is denied, don't lose hope. You still have options. The denial notice will explain the reasons for the decision and inform you of your right to appeal further. The next step in the appeal process is to request a hearing with an administrative law judge. This hearing provides another opportunity to present your case and have your disability claim reviewed by an independent judge. The reconsideration process, while challenging, is a critical step in obtaining SSDI benefits. It allows you to address any shortcomings in your initial application and present a stronger case. Regardless of the outcome, remember that you have rights and options available to you. The reconsideration phase is not merely a formality, it's a crucial stage where you can significantly impact the outcome of your SSDI claim. By understanding the process, adhering to deadlines, and submitting compelling evidence, you maximize your chances of a successful appeal. Don't underestimate the importance of this phase. Treat it with the same seriousness and attention to detail as your initial application. Remember that you are your own best advocate. Thoroughly review your initial application and denial letter to identify areas for improvement. Gather all relevant medical evidence, including treatment records, test results, and doctor's statements. Present your case clearly and concisely, ensuring that the DDS understands the severity of your condition and its impact on your ability to work. The SSDI process can be complex and challenging, but it's essential to remember that you are not alone. Numerous resources are available to help you navigate the system and understand your rights. Seek guidance from disability advocates, attorneys specializing in SSDI claims, or nonprofit organizations dedicated to assisting individuals with disabilities. The reconsideration phase, though daunting, presents a valuable opportunity to correct any oversights, strengthen your claim, and ultimately secure the SSDI benefits you deserve. Approach this stage with diligence, determination, and a comprehensive understanding of the process, and you'll be well on your way to a favorable outcome.